Today I'm going to show you how to use our Bosch microwave. We're going to be starting with the opening button to release the door. There is a knob, you need to release it to be able to use it. We have to have start button to start your cooking meal, the timer, how many minutes you want it for, the stop button to stop the cooking meals. Then you have these numbers which tells you the wattage for the cooking meal, how much each cooking meal needs. Then you have the M button, which tells you how many minutes you want to set your meal for. You go to start, then otherwise you press stop, and then you move on to cooking your next meal. Now this button, it will set automatically the cooking meal for 10 minutes. Press start, and then you can finish the cooking meal for 10 minutes, otherwise press stop, and then we're going to move to the next one. This button here that has a fork and a knife, this will tell you how many kilograms for each meal. For example, you want to cook how many kilograms here, and then you adjust it from here. Each meal, you go to start, and then it will take you like 20 minutes here, then you press stop. And this is how you cook your meals in our microwave. Thank you.